Hello guys, this is a various washing machines video in a shop. There's an Inset Moon, there's a Beko WB 71231B, there's a Bosch Classic 6, very perfect. There's a new C Central, there's a Siemens there. And there's a Bosch there, a Slimline Beko, an AEG, Siemens, another Bosch and a Hotpoint WML with the WMA drum. And here's a mini washing machine, tabletop washing machine. Very rare these things. I might save up and get this. It depends. I would love to. If we go round, there's more machines here. There's a Miele. It's a Miele. Start to find them. W435S WPS. Hoover Optima. Beko WMA 510W. Bosch Classic 7. It's a Hotpoint WML 540. Siemens S1438. An AEG. AEG Lavamat 54600. There's a Siemens. I think it's the same one actually, except the door's different. There's a new brand new Montpellier compact dryer, Inset dryer, and a Hoover Performer Plus 1600. Essentially a Hoover 6 but in different style. Lovelies. What else we got? There's more up there. There's an Inset dryer and a Hotpoint dryer. There's a Nusi dryer there. There's a Hotpoint TL sink, I'll get that in a bit. And another Hotpoint there. Inset. There's an Inset, Samsung, Hotpoint quality. TL12. Electra Compact, Hotpoint, Bosch Credo reverse there, another Credo there, White Knight, another Hoover 6 tongue dryer reverse, the Siemens XLM. Well guys, I'll see you guys another time, goodbye. Oh, there's also another washing machine. There's a Neo Tech, which is essentially a higher machine. A bit like an Inset but with metal pellets. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you another time. Goodbye.